Hello everyone and welcome to GG Crypto. It's November 23rd, 2025. Today we are breaking down Japan's massive stimulus, the Fed's next moves, Eric Trump's Bitcoin comments, and the potential for a massive altcoin reversal if BTC pumps, of course. Let's get into it. Let's take a look at the total crypto market cap. We have increased, as you can see here, $2.95 trillion. It has increased by 2.22% in the past 24 hours. The free ingredient index is 10. The altcoins is an indicator here is showing 25, and over here is 41. The average crypto RSI is 45. Price of BTC is 86,853. Ethereum price is 2,797. XRP is 2.05, and BNB is 845. In the past 24 hours, we have some green momentum, which is always nice to see. Let's take a look at the chart of BTC. As you can see here, BTC is consolidating above the support line. It's currently sitting at 86,700. Let's see what's going to be happening tomorrow, because tomorrow is Monday and the traditional markets are also open. There's going to be more volatility probably. Let's take a look at Ethereum. As you can see, Ethereum is above the support line, which is $2,800. Let's see what's going to be happening starting from tomorrow, because there's going to be more volatility, as I said. I think there's going to be some sideways movement here, and then we're going to see a decisive move either to the upside or downward. Let's see what happens. BTC dominance has spiked a little bit by 0.34%, 33. So let's see what happens tomorrow once again. DXY, SPX, and gold are subjects for tomorrow as well. Let's take a look at Bitcoin monthly returns. This is looking better than yesterday, and today is minus 20.39%. When it comes to liquidations, in the past 24 hours, we have $226 million liquidated. This is much lower than we are used to. Usually it's 500, 600 area. And on the weekend, yesterday it was also low, and today is also low, which is great. This only means that less people are losing money and less people are crying. So that's always good to see that the numbers here are low. So in the past 24 hours, longs we have 89 million and shorts 136. It doesn't make any sense to me why would somebody want to short at these areas, but as you can see, there's more shorts than longs. That's what people decided to do, and that's why they got wrecked. Let's talk about Japan a little bit. Japan has just approved the 21.3 trillion yen, which is a $135.4 billion stimulus package. After China, Japan is now officially doing quantitative easing. This is a major liquidity injection and shows that central banks in Asia are taking aggressive steps to stabilize their economies. The effect: more liquidity often leads to stronger risk asset performance, crypto included, and that's exactly why we are talking about this news happening in Japan. The US Federal Reserve is next on the radar. Fed quantitative tightening officially ends December the 1st. Rate cut odds for December have jumped from 30% all the way to 69.4%, as you can see here, after dovish comments from Fed officials. Let me give you some historical context. During the last quantitative easing cycle, quantitative tightening ended September 2019. Quantitative easing started March 2020. BTC dropped by 65%, while alts BTC surged by 90%. This could set up a similar dynamics this cycle. BTC may consolidate first, while altcoins quietly accumulate. I also wanted to mention that Eric Trump recently said BTC is the greatest asset of our time and called now a great opportunity to buy. Let's talk about shorts and potential liquidations. Over 8.5 billion worth of BTC shorts are at risk if BTC pumps 15%. This creates a strong setup for a short squeeze, which could trigger a broader market rally and reset altcoin positioning. Historical patterns suggest that when BTC bottoms and shorts get squeezed, altcoins usually follow with outsized gains. So here's the picture under the hood. Japan and China are doing quantitative easing, global liquidity is increasing, Fed ending quantitative tightening plus high probability of December rate cut that equals more risk-on conditions. BTC may consolidate near current levels, but altcoins could start outperforming quietly. Over-leveraged shorts could amplify an upward move. In short, conditions are lining up for a major altcoin reset while BTC finds its footing. Sentiment across altcoins is already at all-time lows, the perfect environment for a reversal. So liquidity is rising, there's extreme fear in the market, and the next few weeks could be defining for crypto. Stay sharp, stay strong. I'll be back tomorrow.